complete training in web design and IT services, cutting-edge expertise in Shopify, Wix, Joomla, and WordPress website design. In today's ever-changing digital world, mastering web design is a valuable and indispensable skill. At Webjet Clouds, we understand the importance of creating your own training course on this crucial subject. Our president, with his wealth of experience in the field, is committed to sharing his exceptional know-how in website creation. Technical expertise. Linux Server Management under cPanel, Plesk. Linux Server Management under cPanel and Plesk is an essential aspect of our training. We emphasize a practical and technical approach, enabling our learners to become experts in this complex field. Thanks to our advanced teaching methods, you'll gain an in-depth understanding of server management, putting you ahead of the competition. Personal services, computer assistance and troubleshooting, certified administrative assistant. In addition to our technical expertise, we also offer personal services, including computer assistance and troubleshooting, as well as certified administrative assistance. Our customer-centric approach ensures a personalized and satisfying experience for each and every one of our customers. We're here to meet all your IT and administration needs so you can concentrate on what really matters to you. France Activateur Numérique. IT expertise. Thanks to our skills and expertise in IT, we are proud to play a leading role as a digital activator in France. Our president, with his unwavering commitment to excellence, has made Webjet Clouds a respected name in information technology. When you enroll in our training program, you'll join a dynamic community of passionate learners, ready to take on the challenges of the modern digital world. Conclusion: excellence in training and IT services. In conclusion, the training offered by Webjet Clouds is much more than just training in website creation. It's a unique opportunity to acquire cutting-edge skills in a wide range of fields, from the creation of showcase sites to Linux server management and personal services. Join us today and take the first step towards a successful career in the exciting world of information technology.